Good morning and welcome back. This is Sarah here from Headout, and today we're off to do our next experience, the hop-on, hop-off tour in Rome. Hop-on, hop tours are great because it's a way to experience the whole city and get your bearings, especially when it's your first time visiting. Let's go check out the meeting point. The hop-on, hop-off bus, let's face it, it's about as convenient as it sounds. It's probably one of the most flexible ways to see everything in the city. You can get on, you can get off, you can hop on, you can quite literally hop off wherever you want to create your desired route. There are multiple operators across Rome who more than often tend to start at the Termini train station, which is a central part of the city. The buses depart from Rome Termini station every 15 to 20 minutes. They'll take you on multiple routes and you'll be able to see various attractions across the Eternal City. Some routes take you to iconic attractions like the Vatican and the Colosseum. So obviously at the moment we're at the Colosseum. I'm probably not going to go in today because day one is about kind of finding your movement around the city and seeing what you want to do for the rest of the time that you're here in Rome. So we'll do a little loop around the piazza and then we'll make it back to the meeting point because every 15 minutes the bus leaves and it will take us on to our next stop. Whereas others will take you to other popular attractions such as Santa Maria Maggiore or La Fontana del Tritione in Piazza Barberini. How does it work? Simple. You get on and you get off at any attraction where you want to see. Explore at your own pace, jump back on board and head over to the next stop. This allows you to get the best out of your experience and not have to worry about dealing with transport across the city. So one of the great things about the bus is the audio guide itself. Normally when you buy an audio guide you end up with the digital one, so you have to put it on your phone, which means you plug your headphones in, you drain all your battery, you can't take the photos. With the hop-on hop-off buses, they have the audios built into the bus itself, which means you can have your battery on your phone, film as you're going around and still listen to all of the super cool information in your own language. It's great. When it comes to the passes, there are several different options available to you. Whether it's a 24-hour pass, a 48-hour pass, or even a 72-hour pass. This allows you to completely customize your trip. With multiple tour operators providing different tours and various routes, you can plan your trip according to what you want to see, giving you the most flexibility. With the hop-on, hop-off pass, you'll find that booking through Headout directly, you'll be ensured to have the best deal across all of the other suppliers. Okay, so that brings us to the end of our trip around the hop-on, hop-off buses. We started at Termini, we passed by the Colosseum, we got all the way up to the Vatican City and we came back down to Piazza Barberini. These buses run every 15 minutes. You have the flexibility schedule, so even if you're late getting into the city, you can still explore everything and use that same ticket. Catch you next time.